gawin mo din yung 10 seconds makeup challenge. Nahamon nyo na naman ako. Challenge accepted. Let's go. First step is primer. Siset ko na yung timer. 3, 2, 1. Wait lang. Oh my God. Wait lang. Wait lang. Medyo kinakabahan ako. 3, 2, 1, go. Ay, pa lumabas. Ayan. 6 seconds na lang. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. Okay. Next step is foundation. I think kamay ko yung gagamitin ko pang blend kasi sobrang bilis ng time. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Wait lang, shit. Okay, okay. Akala ko talaga madali lang to. Next step is cream contour. 3, 2, 1. Okay, oh my God. Okay, 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 okay. Shit, i-brand ko pa to. Ah! 10 seconds na lang! Okay. Anyways, next step is liquid blush. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Shit. Oh my God, yung brush ko hindi ko nakuha. Okay na yan, okay na yan, okay. Okay, okay. May 3 seconds pa ako. Ah! Okay, perfect. Moving on sa ating concealer. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, okay na yan, okay na yan. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. 3 seconds na lang. Ayusin mo, ayusin mo, ayusin mo. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ayan. Ah! Okay. Next step is powder. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! Mas matagal pa nung tinanggal ko yung cup. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Wait lang. Ay! Ito mga inuutos nyo sa akin. Next step is brow gel. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Oh my God. 7 seconds. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Ba't ganyan? Anong nangyari? Anong nangyari sa kilay ko, te? Next step is powder blush. 2, 1, go. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay. Next step is powder bronzer. 3, 2, 1, go. Bakit hindi hawak sa brush? Ayan. Okay lang. 4 seconds. Okay. Kayang-kaya. Kayang-kaya. Ilong. Okay. Perfect. Next step is mascara. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Ooh. 6 seconds. Okay, kayang-kaya. Feeling ko kayang-kaya to. 1. Next step is eyeliner. Feeling ko madali lang to. Okay, naset ko na yung timer. Let's go. 6 seconds na naman. Oh my God. Okay. 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 Ah! And then finally, last step is lips. 1, go. Okay. Ayan. Okay. 5 seconds pa, kaya pa. Perfect! Feeling ko minani ko lang tong challenge na to. Like, feeling ko maganda pa rin yung makeup ko. Ah! Pero anyway, sobrang ganda na tong challenge na to. Let me know kung meron pa kayong other challenges dyan.